Hi, and welcome to our HPI Share Out video. We're Group 4, Corey, Courtney, Mystic, Rebecca, Chantel, and Tara. We chose Etowah High School in Cherokee County, Georgia as our location for our project. It's in Woodstock, which is approximately 30 miles north of Atlanta. Woodstock has a population of about 32,000 people, and Etowah High School has a population of about 2,500 students. 24% of our students classify as low income with free and reduced lunch. Our student population is made up of 62.4% white, 9% black, 20.9% Hispanic, and then the rest being other races or ethnicities. We are a very large campus with 11 different buildings. Our identified performance problem is that the teachers at Etowah High School in Cherokee County are not consistently providing assignments in a digital format as expected by the school administration. The data that we collected, we interviewed administrators, teachers, and our instructional lead specialist, and we also surveyed a focus group of teachers in the science department. We asked questions such as, how many digital assignments did you assign in the last 2 weeks? Are you clear on the expectations of the administration as to the number of digital assignments you should be assigning? And we asked the administrators what those expectations were. And we asked both the administrators, teachers, and the instructional lead specialists, what they think it is that makes it difficult for teachers to assign work digitally. Our performance gap is that 58% of Etowah High School teachers do not assign work digitally 50% of the time. Our identified cause is the lack of consistent one-to-one technology available to students and lack of written policy for implementation of that technology. Our recommendation, of course, is purchasing enough devices to supply one-to-one technology for each student. There's a significant impediment to this because the cost of purchasing all of those devices would probably be more than $1 million for the county. We currently have in the county around 7,500 laptops, and we have over 13,000 high school students. So we would have to buy over 6,000 laptops if we could still use those 7,500 to assign them to students. So the cost is really a big factor, a big barrier to success. Our second recommendation would be to establish consistent and clear guidelines for uploading assignments. The opposition here could be a variety of factors. Teachers are resistant to altering the way things have been done. Others might interpret it as more work for them, so even when those guidelines are clear, they still may not do it. Those expectations, according to the county blueprint, are relatively vague and probably need to be firmed up and presented to the teachers as a clear number. Thank you so much.